Bitcoin ETF has been approved by the SEC and the impact can be seen as Bitcoin is rallying around $61K and the crypto market surpasses $2.5 trillion. Hey guys, let's quickly sum up all the things we're going to talk about in today's video. Cryptocurrencies are impossible to ignore. According to Zimbabwe's finance minister, the cryptocurrency market has surpassed $2.5 trillion as the SEC approves the first Bitcoin futures ETF. All blockchain games are banned from Steam. Bakkt, a cryptocurrency financial service, will shortly be listed on the New York Stock Exchange. In 2021, the cryptocurrency industry became mainstream, drawing not only institutional investors and millionaires, but also governments. First, El Salvador made history by declaring Bitcoin legal tender, setting off a chain reaction that saw countries like Paraguay, Argentina, and Panama consider legalizing cryptocurrency usage in their financial systems. Now, Zimbabwe may join the expanding league as the country's finance minister has stated that cryptocurrencies cannot be ignored at this time. Mithuli Nyukebe, the finance minister, stated that approximately 30% of the country's young are involved in crypto assets and that it is hard to avoid them. The finance minister has hinted at future concessions on the crypto market to boost its usage, according to a Herald article. Nyukebe insisted on treating cryptocurrency as a type of investment rather than a currency. He clarified, but our view is that we do not want it to be a currency, want this to be an investment class. So through the Victoria Falls Stock Exchange platform, we will try to create crypto-based products there which are ring-fenced within the offshore zone. Nyukebe suggested during his conversation in Dubai that the Zimbabwean government had already begun the process of regulating cryptocurrency. The administration has begun a sandbox initiative, he stated. The digital assets market, which was formerly regarded as an internet bubble, is now constructing a new world financial order as evidenced by the rising interest of financially distressed countries in crypto. Following the introduction of the Bitcoin's Futures Exchange Traded Fund by the US Securities and Exchange Commission on Friday, October 15, Bitcoin exceeded $60K for the first time since April, causing a price rise across the whole cryptocurrency market. The auction was sparked by reports that surfaced prior to the SEC's original statement that the first Bitcoin ETF would be approved early next week. Interestingly, the crypto market value was $2,194 trillion on April 14, 2021, when BTC achieved its all-time high, but it is currently $2,505 trillion, with many experts still forecasting that Bitcoin will reach a new all-time high. The worldwide cryptocurrency market was trading in the green on Saturday morning. At the time of writing, the market's overall worth was up 4.14% from the previous day, making it more valuable than Apple, the world's most valuable corporation. In addition, the crypto market's overall volume increased by 0.72% in the past 24 hours to $116.23 billion. At the same time, DeFi's 24-hour volume is $14.97 billion, accounting for 12.88% of the total crypto market volume, while other stable currencies' combined volume is $91.19 billion, accounting for 78.46%. Blockchain gaming is the way of the future, but the move represents a step back for the whole gaming industry. Valve revised the Steam rules and guidelines for onboarding new games, making it clear that no blockchain-based games are permitted. The regulation change made it clear that all cryptocurrencies and NFTs will be barred from the marketplace. At SpacePirate.io, a creator of the game Age of Rust, was the first to notice the new 13th line to the Steam rules. Steam, being a prominent PC game marketplace, is frequently used as a testing ground for new ideas. According to Space Pirate, the decision is a huge setback for Age of Rust and blockchain games in general. Valve allegedly does not want goods with real-world value on its platform, thereby putting a stop to any blockchain efforts. The gaming business is known for its obstinacy, and we may be witnessing the start of yet another split. The role of gaming and esports may alter drastically as the world of blockchain games expands. Steam should begin to warm as the obscurity surrounding blockchain regulation fades. If the market fails to bear its weight, other platforms and marketplaces may emerge to fill the void. Bakkt Holdings, Intercontinental Exchange's digital asset management arm, has announced that it would begin trading on the New York Stock Exchange on October 18. A merger with VPC Impact Acquisition Holdings, a Chicago-based special-purpose acquisition firm, resulted in the Bakkt ticker's public listing. According to an official announcement, the merger was approved by roughly 85.1% of shareholders during a shareholders meeting. Upon closing, the combined company's Class A common stock and warrants are expected to begin trading on the New York Stock Exchange under the ticker symbols BKKT and BKKTWS respectively. Additionally, the business combination netted Bakkt about $448 million in gross revenues, which will be used to expand the company's capabilities and relationships. Bakkt, a cryptocurrency exchange, established a collaboration with Google last week to enable the purchase of products and services using Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies through the Google Pay network. The cooperation is a tribute to Bakkt's strong position in the digital asset marketplace to allow customers to enjoy their digital assets in a real-time, safe, and dependable manner, according to Bakkt CEO Gavin Michael. Bakkt introduced a payments app in March that allowed customers to make cryptocurrency purchases. Before, the exchange only provided BTC futures contracts to accredited investors. As a result of a new measure requiring a safe harbor for some token projects, mainstream crypto adoption in the United States is seeing greater backing from politicians. The bill was based on an earlier proposal from SEC Commissioner Hester Pierce, who stated that safe harbor might be the most significant move for the US Bitcoin sector to date. So that's all for now. We'll get back to you tomorrow morning. Until then, join our Telegram channel for free crypto signals, visit our blog linked below for guides, reviews and tutorials, and subscribe to the channel for daily updated crypto news.